Hello, my name is Douglas Pinkham. I am with Pinkham and Associates, a dedicated family law firm practicing divorce and family law in Orange County. We also practice in Los Angeles counties, Riverside County, and San Bernardino County. Okay, I am continuing my discussion and my videos regarding the declarations of disclosure. Again, some of you can see the form I'm working on directly. If you cannot, that's okay. I'm going to go through a statement or this statement in enough detail that you don't need to be seeing the form. Okay, if you will remember, when we discussed in one of my other videos, we discussed the FL 140. It is the Declaration of Disclosure. At the bottom of a Declaration of Disclosure FL 140 form, you will see that there are six boxes down there that need to be checked to complete your declarations of disclosure. I am now at the bottom of that form because we're going to talk about an attachment to this form. We've already discussed the FL 140, and now I'm going to discuss an attachment to this form. All right, so down at the bottom, you will see under where it says attached are the following. You will have marked number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, and number 6, because ultimately you're going to need to do all 6 of those to complete your declarations of disclosure. So, but I want you to take special note. Number 1 is saying that you have attached a completed assets and debts form, FL 142. There is a video telling you how to complete that form, and you will have completed that form. Number 2 says a completed income and expense declaration, FL 150, is going to be attached. And there's another video on that form, and you will have completed that form, and you will have attached that form. Number 3 is pretty straightforward. It says all tax returns filed by the party in the last 2 years. So you need to attach your tax forms that you filed for the last 2 years. The attachment, or the next item I'm going to talk about, applies to number 4, 5, and 6. This asks for a statement of material facts with regard to these issues. Now, those are not in a form, so you're going to have to actually write this into a sheet or type it onto a sheet and then attach it to this form. Some of you can see the form that I use, and it looks like this. For the rest of you, I will literally read the form that I use for these statements. On the form, I call it an attachment to declarations of disclosure. And then I put I, Tom Doe, or whatever your name is, declare, and then I put number 4, because it applies to number 4 on the Declaration of Disclosure form, statement of material facts regarding valuation of property. And then I put, I am the petitioner or respondent in the above entitled matter. I hereby disclose to the petitioner or respondent, as it applies, all material facts and information regarding the valuation of all assets that are community property or in which the community has an interest. The values contained in the schedule of assets and debts are accurate to the best of my knowledge, period. There are no other material facts affecting the value of these assets, period. If there were other material facts that affect the value of assets, you're going to write it in there. Then I go on to the next one is number 5, statement of material facts. I've written this on. This is actually written on, or in my form, it's typed on to my form. It says number 5 because it applies to number 5 on the FL 140. Statement of material facts regarding community debts. I hereby disclose to the petitioner respondent, as it applies, all material facts regarding all debts and obligations, comma, which the community is liable, period. The debts maintained in the schedule of assets and debts are accurate to the best of my knowledge, period. There are no other material facts affecting these debts, period. If there are other material facts affecting the debts, you must list them there. Just list them and be done with it. Then below that, I have number 6, because it applies to number 6 on the FL 140. Statement of material facts regarding investment opportunities, period. I hereby disclose to the petitioner or respondent that there have been no investments, comma, business or other income producing opportunities that have presented themselves to me since the data separation period. If there have been investment opportunities or businesses or income producing opportunities that have been presented to you since the data separation, and those business opportunities are things that you would have as a community become involved with, then you need to disclose those investment opportunities in this paragraph. After that paragraph, I simply have written, I declare under penalty of perjury that I declare under penalty of perjury under the laws of the state of California that the foregoing is true and correct to the best of my knowledge and belief. Under that, I date it and sign it. That's it. That is that whole form. You're going to attach that to your FL 140. And that will be the attachment that is required to take care of number 4, 5, and 6. Thank you very much for letting me explain this attachment to you, and I hope that was of great service to you. Bye-bye.